Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today's video is a Fun Friday video, and I decided that this Friday we were going to have a lot of fun, and it's probably going to be kind of a short fun video because it's pretty technical. I don't know if you guys can handle it, but I'm going to show you how to make that braid that I had on a couple of weeks ago. So let's get started. It's pretty difficult. I'm teasing, of course. So, first you part your hair. I like my hair parted on the side, so you part your hair on the side and you pull it all over to one side. You don't have to brush it because I don't brush my hair very often at all. So you just pull it all over to one side. I like it to be kind of loose. That week I think I had it kind of tight because I had a lot of flyaways. But as a rule, I make it kind of loose. I like it behind my ear. It usually falls out anyways. Anyway, then, once you get it all over here, you split it into two pieces. I always try to get a little more to the front piece because otherwise it seems like the front piece gets, because it's got shorter pieces in it, it's thinner. So, if you have bangs or anything that might make it look thinner, or might be thinner in the front, you might want to add a little extra to the front piece. Just like that. So now you've got two pieces. So you take both pieces and you twist them towards, away from your face. And I only twist it a little ways because if I twist it a lot, I just have to redo it. And then I take the other piece and I do the same thing, twisting the same way. Make sure you get all the little pieces if you can. And you twist it away from your face. Just like that. So now you've got two pieces both twisting away from your face. So now, to twist these two to make the braid, that's all you're going to do is you're going to twist these two. And you want to twist them the opposites way. So they're both going this way. So you want it to go this way. And it's really easy to tell if you do it wrong, because if you do it wrong, see, I did it wrong. See how they're just melding together into one twist? So that means I went the wrong way. I never can get it right the first time. So I go back and I go the other way. And when you go the other way, when you go the right way, you keep twisting your twists towards away from your face. And then you just keep going around just like this. See how it just works? I like to keep my hair curly just because I don't like to brush my hair. And it gives it a little more thickness. If you want to, you can. If you have really thick hair, you can twist it really tight. But I have a lot of hair, but it's pretty fine. So you just keep twisting and twisting away from your face, which is basically you just keep twisting it whichever way it's twisting. Because by now I can see it. And like I said, you can make it as tight or as loose as you want. You can stop wherever you want. And then just tie it off with a rubber band. I like to use more than just those little clear rubber bands, just because when I use those, they're not heavy, and I like, the braid gets pretty thin towards the end, so I like this to be kind of heavy. You can put a scarf in it or something too, to make it not curl or anything. But once you get to the end, you just tie it off, like that. And then that's it. That's all there is to it. You can loosen it. You can pull it up just like you do, you know, braids and stuff and make it look thicker. I don't like to pull it up too much because those bangs will come out. And that's it. That's all there is to it. Wasn't that fun? I was just kidding about it being difficult. The reason I do this instead of actual braiding is because it's so easy. And you can do this. You can do this like French braid style too, where you add pieces to it. But for me, I've tried to do that where you go like this with it, make the ropes go back. I can't get behind it well enough to keep it twisting because my hair's too long. I don't know if it's because my hair's too long or just because I'm trying to do it to myself. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Follow me on Snapchat, Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos. Make sure you share this on all your social media so that my channel can grow. And I will see you in my next video. Mwah!